talk about the materials that you're going to need to use to explore all states of matter we talked about earlier in the video. Water, blue food coloring if you choose to use it, hand towel, an old towel to soak up all the water that we might make a mess with, old food containers that you can use to make icebergs, Arctic animals. If you have them, these are optional also. You're also going to need a container that you can put the water and icebergs in. You can use a water table or a plastic container, but you're going to fill yours up with water, add food coloring if you're using it, and then put it in the freezer. Now that our icebergs are ready, we're going to take our icebergs and put them inside of our clear plastic container. Add the animals. Go ahead. You're going to let the kids explore these for about 15 minutes. And you're going to ask them, what happens to the iceberg or the block of ice? In another container, you're going to go ahead and add the water. And I'm going to add the sea creatures. This is the end product. You're going to explore this. Remember how I showed you the tea kettle that had the steam coming out? You can see that there's vapor coming out. That's what happens when water boils and turns into a gas. It actually turns into water vapor, which is also called evaporation. When that water is released into the air as a gas, it's called evaporation. Here's another way to explain evaporation. We're going to take our hand towel, put it in the bowl of water, get it nice and wet, then we're going to wring it out. Then we're going to hang it over a chair. Then we're going to come back and keep checking on the rag every half an hour or so. What happened to the towel? Where did the water go? That's called evaporation. When the water dries from this towel, it's released back up into the air. I hope you learned a lot about the 3 states of matter. What are they again? This is the liquid. This is the solid. This is the gas. See it? I hope you enjoyed learning about the 3 states of matter.